So it's no longer news that Temu is now in Nigeria, so I decided to do a lot of shopping. As you can see, this is a big bag and my package just arrived, and these are some of the things I got from Temu. And of course, that's why in this video I would like to give you a review and everything you need to know about shopping from Temu right here in Nigeria. So if you're skeptical about making orders from Temu, or maybe you're scared, maybe if your goods is going to arrive or not, so in this video I want to make it as simple as possible. I'll be answering most of the questions that Nigerians have been asking concerning ordering about Temu and all that it takes. And in case I didn't answer most of your questions, you can go to the comment section and drop them, because I know it might not be possible for me to answer all your questions in this video. And please drop them in the comment section. I will kindly read through and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Before we proceed, also take note, this is not a promotional video. I wasn't contacted by Temu. Maybe in case I should be mentioning any name of any company right in this video, note that it's not a promotional video. I'm not trying to promote them. I wasn't contacted by them to promote their services or their products, but in case if they desire to do so, they can easily reach out to me. Yes, I'll put the proper video for them. So now let's proceed. Like I said, I'll be answering most of the questions right here in this video, and if you're confused, go to the comment section, drop them. And of course, this is my shopping from Temu reviews right here in Nigeria. So before we proceed, in case you're stumbling upon this channel for the first time, Chibuzo Agua is my name and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. It's a technology related channel. Of course, I bring you reviews, tutorials, how-tos in general, how to do things all by yourself to make it easy. And of course, you wouldn't be seeking for the services of anyone. So that's what this channel is all about. So if you want to be part of this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up similar tutorial videos just like this. But in this case, in this one is a review video, and we'll be reviewing Temu and all about shopping from Temu right from here in Nigeria. So now let's jump into the question that most Nigerians are asking. First of all, they do ask if Temu is legit. Of course it's legit, and I've shown you in the intro of this video the orders I made from Temu and how it arrived in Nigeria safely. And of course I've weighed some of the products. I'll be showing you right here in this video how they look like, and of course you can also give your personal reviews if it's what it's ordering from Temu. It all depends on your choice. That's the first question I've answered. Of course, Temu is legit. Now the second question that people do ask, let me say it's not really a question, but I would like to debunk a myth that people have been promoting right here in Nigeria. I've seen lots of videos, I've seen lots of images talking about Temu, comparing what I ordered versus what I got. And in most cases, I think they just want to make mockery of Temu, which is not true. It's not really true. Most of those orders or those videos or those images that have been uploaded in the various social media platforms, they are not true. Note, when you want to make orders from Temu, just like AliExpress, Jumia, whatsoever, don't just go in a haste and of course you see something beautiful, you just punch it and you select it and of course you made an order. No, that's not how online shopping works. Endeavor, it doesn't take any of your time. Just go to the description, you read through what those products is all about. For in some cases, you might see an iPhone displayed on Temu, and of course you might also see a case. If you read through the description of that image, you notice that what they are just trying to sell is not the iPhone itself, but the case of the iPhone. Just like in also iPad, the tablets, Android tablets. You see Android tablets, and also you see the keyboard, and you also see the pack, and you see the price for 20,000 naira. So people will just eagerly jump in and say yes, they want to buy or purchase a tablet for 20,000 naira. How can you do that? A tablet of 1 terabyte storage and of course 12 gigabyte RAM. How do you think it will be sold for 20,000 naira? So note that the problem is from you, not the Temu or shopping platforms, Jumia, Amazon, or whatsoever. Read through the description, you actually see what they want to sell. So it's not a problem of what I ordered and what I got. Just know that the problem is all from you. Now the next question I would like to ask is if the price is truly in naira. Yes, it's in naira as it was indicated, or as it is indicated in the app. Yes, in naira, and also they are in naira. Just if it's 27,000, and note that that product is 27,000 naira, there wouldn't be any conversion from naira to dollar or yen. So that's the price. The prices that are indicated in naira, you also pay in naira. So how can you make payments through the Temu platform? That's another question I would like to answer. Note, unlike platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, formally we can actually pay using our Naira MasterCard on AliExpress, but from some time now, it seems it's up to 3 years since the CBN brought in their new changes. Of course, I also uploaded a video about talking about that right here in this channel. If you go through my other previous video, you see when I talked about how it stopped payments, as in how CBN terminated payments in Naira via the AliExpress platform. So Temu is that you can pay with your Naira MasterCard. I did that with my GT Bank. I just mentioned the company name. Well, like I said, there's no promotion, but let me just keep on mentioning them. I've mentioned Temu, now I'm mentioning GT Bank. So I made the payments using my GT Bank Naira MasterCard. Of course, it was successful. And yes, you can easily use a Naira MasterCard to make payments on the Temu platform. It's seamless, as easy as possible. So the next question I would like to answer is what shipping company do they normally use? In most cases, like in my cases, for instance, when I make the order, they use SpeedUp. I just mentioned another company's name again in this video. Well, I have no choice because I'm making this tutorial video for you to understand. It's a review video, so I think it's wise I just mentioned their name. And like I said, if they're interested, they can also contact me for further promotion. Of course, we are here for the money. We need the money. So I use SpeedUp, or they use SpeedUp. And also people that order from various parts of Nigeria, I also noticed that SpeedUp is a delivery company that they used in sending the product right from where they are down to Nigeria. So the first thing you should do, you can easily Google and see if SpeedUp is located in your city, your town, your state. And if it is, be rest assured that you are one step in receiving your product or your orders from Temu as simple or as easy as possible within a short duration of time. So the delivery system or system or correct service that they use in shipping products from their office or wherever they are down to Nigeria, it is SpeedUp, as it's SPEEDAF. Now the next question I'd like to answer is how long does it take for orders to arrive in Nigeria? In most cases, just like with AliExpress and the rest, you notice that if you're shipping from outside, probably from China down to Nigeria, they always give a limit of 21 days. So Temu also give me a period of 21 days, and unfortunately for me, it arrives just a few days to that 21 days. So bear it in mind that if you're making orders from Temu, your order should be in Nigeria within 21 days. That is 3 working days. And if it doesn't arrive from Temu, have a feature, an option of paying you a certain amount. It seems 1,500 now, but I can't really recall. They'll place it into your wallet from the app if your order arrives late. So bear it in mind that if you're shipping using Temu, your order will take a period of 3 weeks or 21 days before it gets to your destination right there in Nigeria. And also most courier services like SpeedUp do call to notify you that your order have arrived. And if you decide to go to the office, if you know their office in your location, you can go there and receive your order. But if you don't, you can tell them to bring it down to your home, to your doorsteps. Then you just chicken and give the delivery guy maybe anything you have, 500 naira, 1,000 naira, and just like tipping him for doing the job well done. So that's what it takes to concern the shipping and the duration it will arrive to your doorstep when you're shipping from Temu. So those are the major questions I've answered in this video, and like I said from the start, if you have any other question, drop them in the comment section. I don't want to go into the details of opening an app or registering an account on Temu. Now let's look at the orders or the deals I made. The first one, note this first one is actually a free gift, and I think it's the one I cherish most. This is a shoe actually. It's a factory fitted shoe, and yes, what I really like about this shoe, I think it is very, very much authentic. I don't want to, the name is not there, so I don't want to start promoting any foreign brand. So the shoe is kind of cool. Yes, it's my size exactly. What I did is actually, I know my shoe, my foot length is 28.5. So actually ordered the foot length of 29 because I know China and their variations in some cases, because I have various experiences ordering from AliExpress. I noticed that once I use my exact length, it always come not really fitting, as in it will be tight, so I have to place a little centimeter. So this shoe is kind of cool. From the Temu site, as at when I'm shooting this video, is between 35 and 36,000 naira, but I got this for free from Temu. This is kind of cool. And also the second order, I actually made eight orders, 8 items, so I'll be showing you. This is a shoe pack. It comes on, all is being placed in a pack from that bundle of sacks. So this is like a slippers. Anybody that knows me very well know that I like wearing this. So as you can see, they're still shiny. The name is their Classic. I just made another promotion. So this is a sleeve. The footwear, as like sleepers, I like going simple, especially when I'm driving. I like wearing this. So this is the second order, and the 3 other orders are just t-shirts. This is where I don't really like, let me say, like, I'm giving an honest review in this video. So this is the part I don't really like. I don't really like the quality of the t-shirts. Yes, it's not really kind of it doesn't meet what I actually wanted. So I ordered 3 t-shirts. This is 1, this is 2, and this is the 3rd one. I actually like this one because I would have pulled it, but no, I want to make this video as short as possible. I like this one also. So making it 5. This is I made this. I bought this. It seems 1,000 plus, below 2,000 naira actually. It's a kitchen cloth. You can actually, it's a microfiber cloth. In the sense that it doesn't get stained easily. Once it gets stained, you can easily wash up, and it will look at it. It's 2 pairs in this pack, and the most important of them all is this simple. I don't want to. Since this light is interfering, I don't want it to be a little bit shiny. Is this YouTube gear, as you can see? And let me bust your bubbles. You know, I'm making order for Temu the first time. These 2 are actually for free. This is free and this is free. Like I said, hit the subscribe button because I'll be talking more about this gear, how it works, and how you can easily fix it. And if you want to start the YouTube channel today, this is the cheapest gear you can actually get. It's a video kit. It comes with a mic. I've tested the mic, it's working properly. It comes with the lights, and this uses some battery. And this is the video handler. And yes, it's the simplest video kits. Yes, video making kits. Like it's interfering with it, but I'll be talking more about this video making kits in this video, how you can get it at a cheap price. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, maybe you might be notified of the video. So this is the 7th item. The last item is actually a ring. I bought a ring for my wife. I saw the ring on Temu and it's kind of cool and it's shiny, and I think it's worth it. So that's the 8th item I bought. Here is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and of course 7. So the whole 7 item is being packed in that pack you saw in the intro video. So all the thing you need to know about Temu. This is my shopping from Temu review right from Nigeria. Don't be scared, of course. Don't be skeptical about buying from Temu. Temu is legit. Temu is real. Make your orders. Do everything properly. Once you want to make an order, ensure you read through the description what they're trying to sell. If they're trying to sell a clothes, or some people say they ordered a chair. How can you order a chair for 5,000 naira? So you know that the fault is from me. So I'm debunking all those videos that people are putting up on social medias talking about what I ordered from Temu and what I got. So Temu, I've talked more about you. Like I said, any company or brand that I've mentioned in this video can easily give me a contact. And of course, my email is in the about section of this video, and we'll talk more. So Temu, don't be scared about Nigeria. So you can buy it from Temu, and of course, your goods will arrive successfully via the speeder courier service or delivery system. I don't know if they use other courier services in delivering to other states, but right from where I am, and right from other people that I've listened to that order from Temu, they actually use speed-up. So we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video and you find it informative enough, kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your question in case I didn't answer any of the question in this video. So if you're in Nigeria, go ahead and shop from Temu. It's not a promotional video, but we've come to the end of this video. I see you in my next video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends, for them who are still scared about ordering from Temu in Nigeria, not to be scared, because Temu is legit. So this is my shopping from Temu review video. See you for now in my next video. Bye bye for now.